Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Tech Tips Today. If you're like me, your mobile phone is your lifeline. It's your camera, your wallet, your entertainment center, all rolled into one. But how do you keep it running smoothly and looking brand new for as long as possible? Today, I'm sharing some essential tips on how to take care of your smartphone. These simple habits can extend its life, save you money on repairs, and keep everything performing at its best. Let's dive right in. First up, protect it physically. Always use a good quality case and a screen protector. These act as your phone's armor against drops, scratches, and everyday bumps. Trust me, investing in these now will prevent heartbreak later. Next, keep it clean. Regularly wipe down the screen, ports, and camera lenses with a soft cloth and a suitable cleaner. Dust, dirt, and pocket lint can build up and affect performance, so make this a weekly habit. Tip number 3. Take care of your battery health. Try to keep your charge between 20% and 80%. Avoid letting it drain completely or overcharging it overnight. Also, don't use your phone while it's charging, and steer clear of extreme heat or cold, like leaving it in a hot car. Fourth, keep it away from water and dust. Even if your phone is water-resistant, it's best to avoid exposing it to liquids or dusty environments. Skip taking it into the bathroom or near the pool. Better safe than sorry. Fifth, stay on top of software maintenance. Regularly update your system and apps, delete unnecessary files and apps to free up storage, and restart your phone at least once a week. This keeps things running smoothly and securely. And finally, back up your data. Regularly save your important photos, contacts, and files to the cloud or an external drive, and use encryption for added security. That way, if anything goes wrong, you won't lose your precious memories. There you have it, 6 easy ways to keep your mobile phone in top shape. Incorporate these into your routine and your device will thank you with longer life and better performance. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below. What's your go-to phone care hack? See you in the next video.